We gotta go and get in the car. You can play with the vacuum. You can play with the vacuum. Okay, oh, don't get in the street, honey. Okay. You can change it with the vacuum. Okay, come on. You gotta get in the truck, honey. Ah. Okay. You don't want to get in? Why not?
No, I don't.
We gotta wash the truck.
I want to too.
Huh?
Please.
What, you want to drive the truck?
Okay.
But you're 3.
I want Papa.
Okay. I can't let you drive the truck.
Please.
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 Okay. We can go inside and you can't drive the truck. Mommy will drive the truck.
No. Heavy.
Yeah, you can't open it all by yourself.
Oven.
I'll go and help you. Okay, let's go. Let's get in. Get in the
No.
truck. Get in all by yourself. No, you have to get in because we gotta leave. Okay, I guess I have to go and carry you like a potato sack. Potato sack? Okay. Okie dokie. It's nice and warm anyway. What is it? Is it a squirrel?
No.
What
A
was it?
mouse.
There's a mouse?
Yeah.
A mouse?
No. A crow.
A crow.